It's Christmas! Well, almost. I hope you're in a festive mood and ready for a quiet week of tech. Grab a hot drink and settle in. Another week, another year in review. And this week it's Steam's turn, which makes complete sense. It is the largest PC marketplace after all. And with the success of the Steam Deck, there's a whole new audience of players. Like many other year in reviews, it showcases your top played games, your favorite genres, and which months you are most active. I've been playing my entire library on Steam Deck this year, with some of the highlights being Baldur's Gate, and I've also been replaying BioShock. My excitement is a 7 out of 10. I don't think the Steam Year in Review particularly sets itself apart from the others, but I still enjoy getting a retrospective of the year I've had. Way back in Apple's developer conference in 2022, Apple announced the next generation of CarPlay. But it's been radio silent since then on when it's coming out, until now. If you missed the announcement, the next generation of CarPlay can integrate across all the car displays, and not just the infotainment one. This means it can replace your speedometer, your fuel gauge, and has numerous customizable widgets. After almost 2 years of waiting, we're finally getting a glimpse of what's to come. Apple is partnering with both Porsche and Aston Martin to create brand-focused interfaces for the next generation of CarPlay. This will allow the interface to better match the aesthetics and design of each automaker. Porsche's interface features circular gauges, and the background wallpaper mimics the brand's distinct houndstooth seat pattern. Aston Martin, on the other hand, features a central information screen between a circular speedometer and tachometer. As you can see from the images, the big update is that CarPlay can integrate across all of the screens, and not just from the infotainment screen. Porsche and Aston Martin plan to introduce the next generation CarPlay in some of their models next year. My excitement is a 9 out of 10 for this one. It's 2023 and almost 2024, and infotainment systems in cars still suck. And while CarPlay has been a fantastic quality life improvement in existing cars, it's always felt a little tacked on and not uniform with the rest of the car. But with the next generation of CarPlay, it looks to be a more tailored, bespoke, and user-customizable experience that matches the brand identity of a specific car that it's in. So I am super excited to see this roll out into future cars, and not just the luxury ones. Under the pressure of regulatory bodies and the right to repair movement, we're seeing more smartphone manufacturers empower users to repair their own smartphones with repair kits. Samsung has expanded its self-repair program to their Foldables too, which honestly took me by surprise, as Foldables are notoriously hard to repair. The self-repair program allows Galaxy Z Flip and Z Fold owners to complete repairs, like screen or battery replacements themselves, using kits from iFixit. These kits contain original parts and step-by-step guides. Samsung is also adding more Galaxy products to its self-repair program, including the S23 series of phones. Customers will be able to buy fixed kits at varying prices depending on the device and repair needed. Samsung's self-repair program, which launched in the US last year, will now be made available to an additional 30 European countries. This expansion aims to reduce the amount of electronic waste that is produced by empowering users to repair their broken devices instead of just opting to buy another one. My excitement is a 7 out of 10. It's great to see large companies like Samsung making repair more accessible. But I don't think it's enough. I can't imagine, even with these new repair kits, that it will be easy to repair these devices. Easy repairability starts at the very beginning of the design process, designing a smartphone that is designed to be repaired, and not just as an afterthought. I think companies like Apple and Samsung could take at least a little inspiration from companies like Fairphone, which are leading the way in both sustainability and repairability. In a surprise turn of events, and right before Christmas, Apple has had to stop selling its latest Apple Watches, the Series 9 and Ultra 2. This is because naughty Apple has been infringing patents on pulse oximetry tech made by Masimo, a medical device maker. Right now, this just means you can't purchase a new Apple Watch in the US. I hope you enjoyed this week's Tech Sunday Funday. Let me know in the comments below if you get gifted any exciting new tech products. And if you're in the Christmas mood of giving, a like and subscribe would be merry. And until the next one, have a very Merry Christmas.